Welcome to Techstein. Teslas feel like premium cars, but at the same time, there's some things about them that I don't usually feel like they're premium quality, and I wish they were a little bit better. But luckily, a lot of companies make accessories for them that tend to make them a little bit better. And unlike any other cars, because Teslas are very popular, just like if you think about iPhones, how they have so many different accessories that you can get, same thing with Teslas. So today I'm trying to tackle the issue of the plastic of the back seats. So if you're sitting in the back of a Tesla Model Y, you'll notice that if you reach for the door, this is like leather / rubber. It feels high quality. I like this. Same with the door handles, same with everything here. But then you move over to this, which is right in front of you. This is plastic and it feels cheap. This part right here is leather, this part feels decent, but all of this around it is plastic. The reason why I don't like it is because within a month of owning this car, I started seeing scratches and marks that are happening around the car, and this does not come off. I tried to clean it, this stuff is not coming off. So a company reached out to me and they are called HALOBLK. I did make a video about one of their products, and it is the spoiler back here, because I have the Tesla Model Y long range. It does not come with that spoiler. So this was an aftermarket one. You can watch this video after this one if you would like. And I was pretty impressed with the quality of their spoiler. It's carbon fiber, so I decided to give it another shot and go with another one of their products. They did not sponsor this video, but they did send me this product for free to review it, so I'll give you my honest opinion on it, and if I don't like it, I'll just let you know. It looks like the package had a bit of a rough time, but let's get started. It seems like it's already open. But here's all you get in the package. It looks like you get a manual, and I'm pretty sure this QR code is gonna show you the installation as well. English on one side, different language on the other. And it looks like they include their socials on here as well. So this looks pretty straightforward. The first impressions, this actually feels very high quality. It feels like that soft leather, feels like the same material as the car seats, and they look pretty nice and classy. Also, if you notice on the bottom right here, there's hooks, so I'm betting that this is going to hook on the bottom of the seats, so that way they just stay in place and they don't move around. So if you look at it from the back, you'll notice that it has that little sleeve up top all around, because if you didn't know before, on the Teslas you can actually reach back and put your fingers behind this plastic piece. So you should just start up from the top, pull this back a little bit, just don't pull it too far so you don't break the plastic, but just pull back far enough to slip that part in. And just like that, once you get the first top part in, it'll just hold it in place, so it'll make it much easier for you to get the rest of it back behind that plastic. And just like that, I got it all tucked behind the chair, so it looks like this at this moment. So I gotta say, this already looks much nicer than that over there, because if you look closer, this looks cheap just compared to this. This actually looks like it's leather, high quality, and it looks nicely stitched. I don't really know if I like the branding always being right there in front of your face, but I guess I'm fine with it just because, you know, it makes the whole chair look better than that. And finally, the last thing that's left is down here you have these hooks, and I'm just gonna go under and get these hooked under the chair. And if you didn't know, so if you look under the chair, there's what feels like a plastic rod or a plastic part just going all across under. That's where the leather of the original chair is actually hooked onto, so we can just go back and hook it at that same place. It's gonna be hard to see, but once you feel for it, you'll find it right away. And it's probably hard to see, but just like that, I got it hooked right there. Here's the normal back seat. Here's the one that we just finished, and you can tell the difference. This one just looks much higher quality than this one. All right, time to get started with the second one. Also, it might make it easier for you to where if it's hard for you to get your hands back in here, you can just move the chair upwards and it'll give you plenty of space to just tuck it behind there. This side is done, and now for the other one. And as you can probably see, I don't have space for my knees now because I moved the chair all the way back to just make it much easier for me to put it in on this side. And now that that's done, now for the hooks for under the chair. And just like that, I got it all set up, and it only took me about 20 minutes, and that's me trying to film in between. So if you're just trying to put it on, it should take you about 10 minutes or less. And honestly, I'm pretty happy with the quality because now it makes the car feel like it's more premium, and at the same time, it didn't sacrifice any functionality, still has that pocket on it. In fact, now it's not gonna get scratched like that plastic, and at the same time, I'm not worried about my car getting ruined, and if it ever gets dirty, you can just wipe it right off. I hope you liked the video or learned something new, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And for the full list of the accessories that I use daily in my car, you'll find all of that in the description down below. And with that, peace out.